Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of American travel. Today, we introduce you to something truly extraordinary, the GMC Redshift, a motorhome that breaks every rule of traditional design and sets a new benchmark for luxury, innovation, and style. As we move to the front, the first thing that commands attention is the bold GMC grille, redesigned for the Redshift. At its center, the illuminated GMC logo glows with power, not just a badge, but a symbol of futuristic engineering. The grille flows seamlessly into razor-sharp LED headlights, inspired by aerospace design. Their angular, aggressive shape gives Redshift a powerful stance, making it clear this machine was built to dominate highways and city streets alike. From the side, the Redshift's uniqueness really shines. This isn't the boxy look of a bus. Instead, we see fluid aerodynamic lines, carved with precision. The two-story design is highlighted by continuous glass panels, giving the impression of floating layers stacked in perfect balance. Massive oversized alloy wheels anchor the body to the road, while the wheel arches flare outward, reinforcing its sporty presence. Walking around to the rear, the futuristic DNA continues. The full-width LED light bar stretches from edge to edge, glowing with intensity, not just functional, but a design statement. Above, a subtle rear spoiler adds both aerodynamics and style, while hidden vents blend utility with elegance. One of the most striking exterior features of the Redshift is its lighting system. The GMC designers knew that light is not just functional, it's emotional. From the glowing GMC emblem up front, to the sweeping LED strips along the sides, to the rear light bar, every element of illumination gives the Redshift a signature look, instantly recognizable even from a distance. We're stepping inside this two-story masterpiece. As we enter the cockpit, the Redshift immediately feels like a spacecraft more than a traditional motorhome. The illuminated GMC logo sits proudly at the center of the steering wheel, glowing against the black leather and metallic red stitching. In front of the driver, a digital dashboard with holographic displays stretches wide, projecting maps, navigation, and real-time performance data. The panoramic windshield rises seamlessly into the second story, flooding the cabin with light and giving both driver and passenger a breathtaking view of the road ahead. Subtle ambient LED lighting wraps around the cockpit, creating the perfect balance of focus and relaxation. This is not just a driver's seat. It is a command center of the Redshift. Moving further inside, we step into the lounge, the heart of the Redshift's lower floor. Here, black leather sofas with red stitching invite you to relax in style. The GMC logo cushions remind you of the heritage behind the design. The lounge is framed by panoramic side windows, allowing natural light to pour in during the day, while ambient LED strips create a warm, cinematic glow at night. At the center sits a hidden foldable smart table, designed for work, dining, or entertainment. Mounted on the wall is a large flat-screen display, seamlessly integrated into the wood trim panels. This is not just a living room. It's a luxury lounge designed for both comfort and technology. Next, we enter the kitchen and dining area, a space that transforms the idea of cooking on the road. Here, sleek marble countertops meet stainless steel appliances, each one carrying the subtle mark of the illuminated GMC logo. Cabinets blend seamlessly into the walls, offering hidden storage for maximum space efficiency. The dining area features modern chairs with metallic red accents and a foldable table that adapts to your needs. Soft LED lighting creates the perfect atmosphere. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before the road or hosting a dinner while parked under the stars, every inch of this kitchen is a balance of practicality and elegance. As we move upstairs, the Redshift reveals its most private sanctuary, the bedroom. Here, a king-size bed with a leather headboard takes center stage, the GMC logo stitched proudly at the top. The color theme of black and red bedding continues the design language of the vehicle, giving the room a bold yet calming atmosphere. Above, the ambient ceiling LED glow can be adjusted from bright daylight tones to soft night hues. The panoramic windows wrap around the room, making the world outside a part of the experience. Imagine lying here at night, looking out at the stars, with the soft hum of the Redshift around you. Built-in modern storage cabinets ensure that style never compromises functionality. This is luxury travel, elevated. Finally, we arrive at the bathroom, where futuristic design meets everyday necessity. The centerpiece is a glass shower pod, enclosed in elegance and efficiency. The floor is finished with polished marble, while chrome fixtures reflect the ambient light. The black and red theme continues here, tying the bathroom seamlessly into the Redshift's overall design. And just above the sink, the illuminated GMC logo etched into the mirror glows softly, a subtle reminder that even the smallest details matter. This bathroom is not just functional, it is a statement of luxury on the road. And so, our tour of the interior comes to an end. From the cockpit that feels like a command center, to the lounge that combines relaxation with technology, the kitchen designed for elegance, the bedroom that feels like a personal retreat, and the bathroom that redefines motorhome luxury. The Redshift delivers an interior experience unlike anything else. This is not just a motorhome. It is a future living space on wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the interior of the GMC Redshift, built for those who don't just travel, but travel in style.